Okay, so today we're going to talk about cylinder heads. It's a little bit more in depth, but guys asked me always, no, I've got a 912 engine, I've got a 913 engine, please, I've got this issue with the cylinder head. Maybe it's that cylinder is getting a little bit too hot, or that type of deal. There's a couple of examples I'll show you guys today regarding cylinder heads. I've got a couple of samples that I'm just quickly going to run through. And then from the older generation up until the little bit newer ones, and then I've got a Galoska in here as well, just to show you guys the difference there, what they've done with their product, where they are going. So we'll start firstly on we call it the 912W. 912W is the indirect injection cylinder head. Usually when the engine ran for couple of years it starts to crack, so we usually chuck these ones away. These are just a old sample I keep in stock for spare parts. We have already a small crack developing there, so that's why we say we chuck them away. We put a little bit newer generation, we call it an all type or the 912D cylinder head on. Another example is a 912 cylinder head. Normal 912 cylinder head, but it looks a little bit different. I'll get you guys to write in the comments why you think it's open here compared to the normal heads you see every single day that's closed. It's still a 912 head. So yeah, that one I'll keep for you guys. You guys can tell me what's going on there. (912) cylinder heads are in fact a little bit more complicated than what you guys think. Writing on the side actually means something. It's not just like a stamp or whatever you guys want to call it, a barcode number or something like that. It actually means something where you want to use the product. It goes also with the valve, and then also what type of guide and valve stem seal you guys are going to use on the cylinder head itself. So this is a little bit more older model. Then we get to the 912, we call it a K series or a Euro spec type, whichever you want to call it. It's still the same thing, but yet again on the valves you get the different sizes of valves with the degrees as well on the valve itself. So a cylinder head really is not just a cylinder head to us. We try to build your engine as per the spec you require for your type of application. You can't just build a 912 engine or a 913 engine and it's going to work in every single application. No, it's not, because now you want a little bit more power. You're going to go to a 913C cylinder head, which will cost you an arm and a leg with a wideband rim or the wideband liner. This thing is quite expensive. If you don't want to use it, then don't use it. Build the engine for your type of application. That's what I'm trying to say with these type of head. Don't get fooled with, no sir, we sell a 912 head and a 912 head and a 912 head. No, it's not. I don't even have all the variety of 912 or 913 cylinder heads in front of me. It's just a couple of samples for you guys to see that it's not the same. Please, you guys need to check and you need to understand what application, because you get a 912 engine that you want to produce 60 kilowatts, and then you get a 912 engine that needs to produce 50 kilowatts or 48 kilowatts or whatever the case may be. Then we change all these parts to accommodate you with your specific type of application.